on some of them, I can look at your formative result.
So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be starting with question 21. And we're going to be finishing off the remainder of this sheet. So the thing with question 21 and beyond is that not only are they about combining like terms, but they're also about the distributive property. So in these cases, we are going to need to distribute values into brackets. So in this case, for number 21, what we've got here is -4 plus 7 times 1 minus 3m. Okay? So what that means is that with order of operations, we need to figure out what's going on with the brackets first before we can actually add or subtract anything else. So we do what's called the distributive property. We distribute the value 7 into these brackets. And what that means is that we essentially multiply 7 by everything in the brackets. So this is equal to -4 plus 7 times 1 plus 7 times minus 3m. Okay, so that 7 has been multiplied by both values in the brackets, and we add them together. That's the distributive property. So then that's -4 plus 7 minus 21m. So we take the 7, multiply it by the -3, and then that's our new coefficient for m. Okay? And then we can collect the like terms -4 and 7. Neither of them have a variable, so we can add them directly. -4 plus 7 is going to be 3. So then in the end, your result is going to be -21m plus 3. The convention here is that you put whatever terms have a variable in it first, but it doesn't really matter. So if you want to say 3 minus 21m, that's just as valid. So the remaining questions on this sheet, 22 to 30, all have to do with this idea of distribution. So I'll do one more with you, and then I'll give you some time to work on them individually, and then we'll take them out. So for 22, we've got -5n plus 3 times 6 plus 7n. So that's equal to -5n plus, and now we want to distribute the 3 into these brackets. So 3 times 6 and 3 times 7n. Okay, and then we can resolve these multiplications. We've got -5n plus 18 plus 21n. Okay, and then we can just combine these like terms. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, that's good. So these two terms both have the variable n in them, which means that they're like terms, so we can add and subtract them. So that means we've got now 18 and 21 minus 5, that gets you 16. So 16n plus 18 is our final answer there. Any questions about that? All right, awesome. So I'll give you some time now to do the next 8 of them. So that's 23 up until 30. And then we'll come back 5-10 minutes and take them up.